12 GB RAM with 256 GB big storage, 5200 mAh battery with 35-watt charger, also 1.5-meter drop resistant mobile under price of 48 Omani Riyal. Honor launch Honor X6B mobile. Welcome to Tech Talking. I am Bilal Mobashar. Honor, which is a famous as producing best mobile with affordable price, now launch another amazing device which is Honor X6B. Let's have a look device, then we will talk about more benefits and features. Honor X6B coming with 6 plus 6. It means 12 GB RAM for boost up your device, speed to get quick results and get it done your task with immediately action. 256 GB storage which is enough for store your 24K audio music, 60K images or 200 plus movies and many more. So now no more headache of low storage message in this price segment. If you face slow charging, empty battery message and got disturbed with this kind of messages or issues, so now no need to worry about that because the battery of Honor X6B coming with 5200 mAh and 35 watt with turbo charging, largest battery. It's a superior battery capacity than most expensive flagship mobiles. So now you can use Honor X6B for online streaming up to 26 hours or can use for 27-hour browsing social media continuously. As per Honor, this mobile battery up to 4 years consistent will perform with very well. 35-watt Honor supercharge will charge 100% within just 90 minutes. So now you can charge fast and travel and can go anywhere without unexpected delays. Honor X6B coming with 1.5-meter drop resistant with certification of SGS with rating of 5 star, just same like before X9B. Honor 6B coming with 50 megapixel dual AI camera system. Main camera will be 50 megapixel coming with wide range to capture all of your snaps, and second camera coming with 2 megapixel with depth photos. In camera you will get AI recognition, smile snapshot, multi-frame functions and many more. Super light sensor algorithm and many more useful features. Details here. Selfie camera comes with 5 megapixel to take your moments and save for happy memories. Honor X6B comes with 90 Hz refresh rate, 269 ppi, eye protection, dynamic dimming, flicker free, HD large 6.6 high brightness in sunlight display screen. Honor 6B comes with the MediaTek G85 CPU with 2.0 GHz processor as well as Magic Operating System 8.0 based on Android 14. Honor 6B will be available in forest green, starry purple and midnight black colors. You will get also in Honor X6B side fingerprint sensor, dual SIM card, elegant round corners, only in just 192 gram with 8.39 mm thickness. Visit your nearest store and get amazing product under 48 Omani Riyal. If you have any further question about this product, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.